Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious one-pan chicken and vegetables recipe. This is one of my favorite meals to make for dinner. The chicken is deliciously baked together with sweet potatoes and broccoli. This is bursting with so much flavor. Let's get started. We're going to make some marinade to marinate some chicken. We're going to add some Cajun seasoning into a bowl of olive oil, add some smoked paprika, onion powder, freshly minced garlic, some dried herbs. We're going to squeeze in the juice of a whole lemon. Then we're going to add some salt and black pepper to taste. We're going to mix everything together very well. Once mixed in, we're going to add some chicken breast. Make sure you coat the chicken breast very well on both sides in the marinade. And then you want to make sure the chicken sits in the marinade for about 1 hour in order to soak in all of the flavors. Once the chicken is coated, cover the pan with a saran wrap and keep the chicken in the fridge while it's marinating. In the meantime, we're going to bake some potatoes. I've peeled and cut up some sweet potatoes into cubes. Add a generous amount of olive oil to the sweet potatoes, then season them with salt and black pepper. Mix it together very well, then arrange the sweet potatoes into a single layer. Make sure you space them out. Then we're going to bake the sweet potatoes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Once the potatoes have baked for 15 minutes, use a spatula to push them all to the side. Add the marinated chicken breast. Make sure you keep the chicken right in the middle of the baking pan. And then next to the chicken, we're going to add some fresh broccoli. Since the broccoli is the only ingredient in this pan that hasn't been seasoned, we're going to drizzle it with some olive oil, then season with salt and black pepper. Once the broccoli is seasoned, we're going to put this back into the oven to bake for 20 to 25 minutes. I used really thick chicken breasts, so I baked mine for 25 minutes. If your chicken breasts are smaller, you probably only need about 20 minutes. Make sure you use a meat thermometer to check your chicken for an internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit because that's the safest way to know that your chicken is fully cooked. The chicken came out very tender and juicy, so easy to cut through. It is packed with so much flavor and there's going to be some juice in the pan to enjoy the chicken with. Chicken is tender, juicy, and the broccoli and sweet potatoes came out really good. This is a very delicious, easy one-pan chicken dinner. It's a balanced meal that is perfect for any weeknight dinner. If you guys would like to try this chicken and vegetables recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.